Hey everyone, I'm Zach, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to go from zero to contract deployed on any EOS blockchain. So the first thing we're going to want to do is create a public-private key pair. So we'll do that and copy the public key and head over to the Jungle testnet monitor. Once here, we'll create an account. So any account name, in this case test Zach Alum, and paste in the public key for both of the keys. We'll go ahead and click create, and it looks like that account was successfully created. So we'll go back and grab the corresponding private key and head over to eosstudio.io. So once here, we'll switch the network from cloud to Jungle, and this will allow us to deploy to the Jungle network. So before we do that, we want to import the private key. So we'll click import, we'll paste in our private key, and looks like it was imported successfully. Now we'll use the Explorer, the Account Explorer, to type in our account name, and this will load up all the details about the account, the balance, how much RAM is available, and we'll also star it, so it will add it to this drop-down for easy access later. So if you click buy RAM, you'll run into this error, which means that you need to actually fund the account with some EOS first. So we'll do that, and we'll request the testnet to send us over some EOS tokens so we can buy some RAM. And the RAM is needed for the contract to be deployed. Without the RAM, we can't deploy the contract. So we'll do that, and we'll click buy RAM a couple times, and now we have that account funded with a little over 300 kilobytes of RAM, which is perfect. So now we'll head back to the home section of EOS Studio, click on new, and create a project called Hello World. So we'll do that, and we'll open up the source. So once you open up the source, you'll see that there's actually some boilerplate code here. And this contract basically just says hello to any user that invokes it. We'll build the contract by clicking the build button, and this will build all of the necessary files, the ABI, everything needed to deploy on any testnet or mainnet or even private network. And looks like it was successfully built. Now we'll actually go ahead and deploy this to the Jungle net by clicking the deploy button and choosing the account that we want to deploy to. And it was easy as that. We were able to deploy that contract to that account. We can even verify that it was by looking at the transaction history. That's it, guys. That's it. It's super easy.